For visual checks and minor repairs, the belt can be supported by 2 blocks of wood. With the box in situ, after removing the top, you can make visual checks, change the card and check the wiring. For major repairs, i.e. removal of the inverter or push buttons, the control box must be removed from the machine for easier access. There are 3 mounting lugs as shown. To remove the box, undo the 13mm bolt, then unscrew and remove the 2 10mm bolts in front of the push buttons. This requires a socket and a spanner. The cable clamp may need to be loosened to allow the box to be removed through the underside of the chassis. To allow the belt to be removed, the top drum must also be slackened off. The tensioners must be wound back fully. Then remove the 19mm drum bolts and spacers. Using a suitable tool, lever the top drum away from the belt to slacken it. Push the top drum down and out of the chassis. When replacing the top drum, a lever must be used to lever the top drum into position. To remove or replace the main belt, the hold-up rollers and the axle must be removed. To remove the axle, the wheel retaining pin must be removed from one end of the axle and one wheel must be removed. 2 13mm bolts are removed on the axle retainers and the axle is then pulled out